now I'm going to do post-present. Okay. Consent section. By selecting yes below, you consent to taking part in this survey. Yes or no? Yes. Okay, insert your own unique code below, your initials plus last 5 digits of your certificate.
LR 505.
Okay, gender, female. Age, you said 19 to 29. Highest level of education, you said grade 12. Then occupation, you said unemployed. Area of residence, Tembisa, right? Type of residence, okay, township. Nearest health care facility within 50 km radius, 51 to 100 km radius in north. Okay. Water supply, tap water, raw water. Toilet facility, flushing toilet. Okay, section 3, knowledge of COVID-19. In this section, we would like you to tell us about your understanding of the COVID-19 virus. The section provides a list of symptoms related to the COVID-19 virus. Please read the statement and decide whether you strongly agree with the statement, you agree with the statement, you do not agree with the statement, or you strongly disagree with the statement. I know what COVID-19 is. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
I am able to identify the sign of COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
I know what to do when I develop the signs of COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Agree.
I know how to prevent the spread of COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Agree.
Section 4. In this section, we are interested in gaining a better understanding of your knowledge of COVID-19. You therefore are requested to complete the sentence in the questions below. COVID-19 is
a respiratory virus that was discovered in China.
okay. The signs of COVID-19 are
Sore throat, headache, diarrhea, dry cough, and fever.
okay. When I have the signs of COVID-19, I take the following steps.
I isolate myself from others and quarantine.
My chance of experiencing COVID-19 complications are higher if I have any of the following conditions.
Chronic heart diseases.
Okay, section 5, attitude. In this section, we are interested in understanding your view of those infected with COVID-19. Therefore, indicate whether you strongly agree, disagree, or strongly disagree with the statement below. No one should be seen associating with someone who has contracted COVID-19.
Agree.
If someone has contracted COVID-19, they should be expelled from work. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
If a person contracts COVID-19, it is their fault. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly disagree.
Section 6, behavior. In this section, we are interested in your understanding of how people's behavior affects the spread of COVID-19. Therefore, indicate whether you strongly agree, just agree, disagree, or strongly disagree with the statement below. Touching someone in the form of hugging, kissing, and shaking their hands is not harmful to spreading the COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Disagree.
It is important to wash my hands with water and soap to help stop the spread of the COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
When I have the signs associated with COVID-19, I can mix with people as long as I'm not very sick. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly disagree.
I should get tested for COVID-19 when I start experiencing the signs associated with COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Agree.
I can use a home testing kit to test myself for the COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly disagree.
Section 7. In this section, we are interested in understanding how your specific circumstances affect your ability to engage in behavior that contain the spread of COVID-19. Therefore, indicate whether you strongly agree, just agree, disagree, or strongly disagree with statements below. Question. It is possible for me to keep the recommended distance between me and someone who has contracted the COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
Please provide a reason for your above response.
We must maintain social distance to contain the spread of COVID-19.
Okay. I am able to wash my hands as many times a day as possible. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
Please provide a reason for your above response.
I have sufficient water and sanitizers.
Okay, I cannot stop myself from repeatedly touching my face. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly agree.
Please provide a reason for your above response.
To help people know ways to avoid them.
The current lockdown that the president has imposed on us all, it is not necessary. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Strongly disagree.
Please provide a reason for your above response.
That our president was trying by all means to contain the rapid spread of AIDS.
Was trying
To contain the rapid spread
to
to contain the rapid spread of COVID-19.
I have other issues that worry me more at the moment than COVID-19. Strongly agree, agree, disagree, strongly disagree.
Agree.
The first uppermost in my list of worries.
Unemployment.
The second uppermost in my list of worries.
Lack of money.
The third uppermost in my list of worries.
Hunger.
Is there any other information that you would like to bring to our attention regarding COVID-19 and how it may affect you? Anything that was not covered in the questions about?
No.
Okay, unique number. Would you consent to us contacting you for a follow-up survey after 2 or 3 months from now? If yes, please provide us with your cell phone number below.
No one fear.
Okay, thank you for your time.
Thank
Have a good day.